Hey, I'm Sohan, one of the co-founders of Flint. Today, I'm excited to share 3 major upgrades that our teams recently made to the Flint platform. The first is math support. This has been the most popular requested feature by far, and it's now available in Flint. So Flint now beautifully displays math notation in the chat, and there's a built-in equation editor that you can use to type in equations yourself. So you can do that using the keyboard like I am now, or you can use the buttons on your screen. Flint is actually now much more accurate at math as well. Before, there were some issues with accuracy because of the AI model we were using, GPT-4, just not being good enough at solving math equations on its own. Flint is now paired with a much more powerful calculator on the back end. So whenever the AI is not sure about the answer, it goes to a calculator to run the equation to give you a much more accurate answer. To show you an example of that, I've got a pretty gnarly calculation here. If I provide that to Flint, I'll have to wait a second while the AI goes and uses the calculator on the back end. And in a moment, it'll give me a very accurate answer. So in this case, it's evaluated this equation to be 139.32. And if I check that in a tool like Wolfram Alpha, you'll see that that answer is identical. So Flint's calculations are as accurate as a tool like Wolfram. Additionally, another update we made to Flint is improving the quality of the feedback that students receive once they complete a tutoring session. So like before, you can see a past tutoring session if you're a student or if you're that student's teacher, and you can scroll through and view all the messages that were sent. On the right-hand side, you'll see the analytics. But the change with this update is now there's hyperlinks in analytics that highlight exactly what the student's strengths and areas of improvement were. So you can click on each of these green strengths, and Flint will jump ahead and show you exactly where that student displayed that strength or that area of improvement. We hope this will make it easier for students to see exactly where they could have improved or where they did a good job, and highlight that information to their teachers more easily as well. The final update that I have to share in this video today is around improving the leveling of how the AI communicates with students in Flint. Now when you design an AI tutor in Flint, you can select the grade level. So we support the US standards from first grade all the way up to the university level, and we support international and world language standards like CEFR and ACTFL. So here you could select a proficiency level, for example, of Novice, and you'd be guaranteed that the AI would only communicate at the ACTFL Novice level with your students, which will make it much more useful for teaching world language learners that are a little bit at the Novice level. I hope you have a chance to try out these updates. Thank you once again for taking the time to watch this video and for continuing to use Flint.